Whether you're a startup founder, investor, sales professional, or researcher, understanding who's who in the business world is essential. From company funding rounds to investor portfolios and emerging industry trends, reliable data gives you an edge. Crunchbase is a go to platform for discovering detailed information about companies, people, investments, and market activity. It offers a powerful, yet intuitive database that makes researching businesses not only accessible but actionable. You can track industry trends, identify prospects, and even monitor competitors all in one place. In this video, we'll walk you through Crunchbase, explore its most powerful features, and explain why it remains one of the most valuable tools for business intelligence and growth strategy. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the advanced company search and filters. Crunchbase lets you search through millions of companies using granular filters like industry, headcount, location, revenue range, funding stage, or founding date. You can also combine filters to get hyper targeted results for niche industries or markets. Whether you're identifying acquisition targets, potential clients, or hot startups to track, Crunchbase makes it easy to narrow down exactly what you need fast and accurately. Another key feature is the detailed funding and investment data. Each company profile includes up to date funding information, such as total capital raised, deal types, investors, lead participants, and timelines. You can also view investor portfolios, recent deals, and co investor relationships. You gain immediate insight into where money is flowing and who's backing whom, helping you spot opportunities, understand market signals, or prepare investor outreach with real context. Another key feature is the customized lists and alerts. Crunchbase allows you to create saved lists of companies or people, set up custom alerts, and monitor real time changes in funding, leadership, or acquisitions. You can organize companies by vertical, geography, or your own pipeline needs. You stay ahead of market movements and updates without having to constantly check back. It's ideal for outbound sales, venture scouting, or tracking partnerships at scale. Another key feature is the contact and employee insights. For each company, Crunchbase often includes team member details, job titles, and sometimes direct contact info. You can also see hiring signals and employee growth trends over time. This helps you identify decision makers, analyze a company's hiring momentum, or qualify leads based on team size and roles, all essential for strategic outreach or recruiting. Another key feature is the market trend and ecosystem visualization. Crunchbase Pro users can explore graphs and charts that reveal market segments, compare funding activity across verticals, and analyze ecosystem growth over time. These visual tools help decode how industries are evolving. This way, you gain a macro level view of where the market is heading, helping you spot emerging industries, assess saturation, and position your strategy with data driven confidence. So, why is Crunchbase a great choice? Crunchbase has become an essential business tool for entrepreneurs, investors, analysts, and revenue teams alike. What makes it stand out in 2025 is its depth of data, ease of use, and ability to scale insights from a single company profile to entire industry landscapes. It continues to expand integrations with platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and LinkedIn, allowing users to plug Crunchbase insights directly into their daily workflows. Its API and CSV export tools also make it flexible for data teams or analysts who need to blend insights across platforms. So, if you're looking to discover emerging companies, map out competitors, plan investor outreach, or fuel your sales pipeline with real business intelligence, Crunchbase provides everything you need without the overhead of complex analytics platforms. So basically, Crunchbase helps you transform scattered business information into strategic insight. From company discovery to investor analysis and trend tracking, or prospecting in a new vertical, Crunchbase gives you the tools to move faster, smarter, and with better visibility. It puts a world of market intelligence at your fingertips, organized, current, and actionable. So, if you're serious about business discovery in 2025, Crunchbase is a platform worth mastering. So start using Crunchbase today and get used or leverage this for your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.